This email marketing course is designed for individuals who want to learn about email marketing, the principles, strategies, and how to create effective campaigns to reach and engage audiences. In this course, we will cover the following topics. First of all, we'll start with the introduction to email marketing. This section provides an overview of email marketing, the benefits, how it fits into a larger marketing strategy. Then we'll break down the techniques for email list building. We'll learn how to build a targeted email list with subscribers who are interested in your brand and more likely to engage with your campaigns. Then we'll start breaking down all the major techniques of how to design an email and how to write our own content, effective, visual appealing emails that engage with subscribers and deliver your message effectively. We will discover how you can segment your email list based on subscriber behavior and personalize your email content to increase engagement and conversions. We'll learn how to send, track, and optimize your email campaigns to get the best results, and how we can measure all these data and all these analytics to improve future efforts. We'll see some best practices and ethics. We'll gain insight into industry best practices and ethical issues when it comes to email marketing. The second part of this course, it's going to be about the AI algorithms and platforms, AI techniques and strategies that we can use to enhance our email marketing techniques and campaigns. We'll uncover the potential of predictive analytics, which allows you to segment your audience more effectively for targeted messaging.